Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my horror pack unboxing, and one thing I do want to throw out there is I will not be getting the January box because my card that I was using to purchase these got hacked, and they used all of the rest of my fundings on my credit card to purchase Amazon shit, Amazon Kindle reading, Amazon digital points. So that's why I will not be getting the January box, because my card got canceled and I am currently waiting on my new card, and then once my new card shows up, then I will be back on track with horror pack. So I will not be getting January's. This is December's. That is a big bummer, but things happen, and it always seems like we get hacked always during the holidays, because the year before that my husband's credit card got hacked, and then the year before that during Thanksgiving our bank account got hacked. So it's like 3 years in a row during Christmas and holiday times is always when our credit cards or bank accounts get hacked, and I'm like, really? So yeah, without other ado, this is the December 2020 box horror pack. You do get 4 DVDs or Blu-rays, whatever you want of your choice. And you guys, like I always throw out there, I will have a code down below. You can get $3 off, I believe, or $5 off. You can get $5 off your purchase, I believe, if you sign up. This does not affect me in any way of making money, anything to that nature. It actually will affect you. It does not affect me. It will get your first month's box of $5 off, I believe. And yeah, so with all other ado, I will have it down below. Get on it if you are a horror fan, horror freak. This is the best way to collect and start your horror movie collection. So let me hush this mouth and let's get into this video. So the first one I'm pulling out looks like another Conjuring movie, and I already have this. So I have already told you guys, once I get 4 movies like a horror pack, I will be doing a giveaway. So this is my 4th movie that I already own. I have the Conjuring series on a, I think it's like a pack or something. So I will be giving this away, and I will be announcing the giveaway for these very soon. So keep your eyes and ears tuned. Alright, what is the next one? Alright, the next one is, I have no idea. Does this movie even have a name? Like, I have no idea. So this is what the cover of it looks like. It kind of looks like Slender Man or something to that nature. So let's see what it says. It says, Goosebumps introducing horror. And then it says, when Beth's son brings home an imaginary friend named Z. Okay, so I guess this is Z on the front. She becomes concerned that he is falling too deep into a world of make-believe. He starts to display extremely destructive behavior, blaming Z for all of his actions. But after he gets kicked out of school, Beth is forced to find a solution. She medicates her son, making him unable to see his imaginary companion. But now Beth sees Z, and he wants to be her friend. Okay, so that seems pretty trippy and pretty cool. This is the horror pack limited edition, I believe. Yes, it says horror pack. So this is the horror pack. Like I always say, you guys, the horror pack movies are a hit and miss. So we'll have to give this a go. I still have like a couple movies I need to catch up on, because it's like there's so many movies. So we got that one. That seems pretty interesting. I have no idea, because this one says horror pack as well, and then this one says horror pack. So I don't know which one is the limited edition. So this one is a Calver's Christmas horror pack limited edition Blu-ray. Okay, so this is the horror pack limited edition. I thought this one was. Alright, so this one says, when a dark force takes over the morgue during the Christmas holidays. A ragtag band of heroes has to save the humanity from the growing army of the Walking Dead. So, is this like zombies or anything to that nature? Like I just said with that movie, because I thought it was the Horror Pack Limited Edition, Horror Pack Limited Editions are hit and misses. So, here is the front cover. It's pretty alright. And then the back of it just looks something like that. So, give that a go. And then the very last movie in this month's horror pack is Mother Krampus. The naughty list just got deadly. So I'm assuming this is Krampus related. So let's see what it says. Based on the myth of Fru Perucha, a witch that comes on the 12th day of Christmas, taking children each night. So that's what we got to look forward to. So we did get a little bit of like Christmas vibe horror movie. So we did get like the Mother Krampus, this Christmas type movie, and then this one right here really seems interesting to me, so I can't wait to see that one. And then of course the last known title in this pack was The Conjuring 2. And like I said, I will be announcing a giveaway for, I think it's pretty much like Conjuring and Annabelle. So if you are interested, keep your eyes and ears tuned, because I will be announcing a giveaway of movies. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And don't forget to go down and check out the coupon code. It helps you, not me. See you guys.